Hello guys, welcome back to my review channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. This is the last generation. I was a little bit late, so I didn't have the chance to, I guess, get the newest one when they launched it. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention to launch dates, and I literally paid full price for both of these. And then the new iPad came out. Regrets. Seriously. I mean, not really regrets because they're both amazing products. It's just you kind of want the newest thing if you're going to pay the full price. I literally paid the same exact price. And then a few weeks later, the price for my iPad and Apple Pencil dropped. Well, no, the Apple Pencil stayed the same price, but the iPad dropped in price because the new one came out. Anywho, this is the Apple Pencil. So this pencil is a redesigned one from the original Apple Pencil. It has some cool features, like you can connect it to the side of the iPad and it'll charge. Another cool part about the new Apple Pencil is it has touch, like or tap sensitivity. You tap and it'll actually communicate with the iPad and let you select different brushes. So we're going to go ahead and get into the box for the iPad Pro. Just kind of lifting off the cover here. Alright, so finally getting the cover off. It was a little bit of a situation. We're going to go ahead and lift the iPad Pro out of its container. So now that we're into the box, you can see how beautiful the iPad is and all of the packaging. Like always, this is a typical Apple. I mean, I guess you're expecting it for how much you pay for the devices. Of course, you get your Design by Apple in California little pamphlet with your Apple stickers, the pamphlet of how to actually set up the device, kind of like a quick start guide, and then your warranty information. I hope that the audio is good in this video clip for you guys because the audio did not come through the way it's supposed to. And I mean, I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes I do voiceovers on some of the content that I produce, just depending on how the sounds are. I don't really like too much background sounds, so I try and eliminate those by doing voiceovers, but I don't know. So as you can see here, Apple introduced USB-C on the iPad Pro, which is awesome. So instead of the traditional USB-A to Lightning, you actually get a Pro feature, because now you can connect anything with USB-C to the iPad, and it actually registers it. You can even connect an iPhone to it, and the iPhone will charge off of the USB-C Lightning cable, which is pretty awesome. It's a cool feature that I like. The other cool part is that they introduced the USB-C charging adapter, which is amazing because this new wall wart charges things a lot faster than the old one, and it's nice and slim, so it still keeps a nice slim design without that little wiggly piece that was in the back that they used to have. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's like that little removable wall plug piece. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the wrapping of the actual iPad and get to what everybody's been waiting for. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I'm going to go ahead and take the wrapper off. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this device powered up. That way I can get a review published for you guys. That way you guys know kind of what the iPad Pro is like. If you did like this video, make sure you guys thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I hope to see all of you on the next YouTube video. Thanks. Bye-bye.